Hey guys, Ken here. You guys can see my little co-pilot, Miss Dolly Madison. I'm try to film a little bit today. Here's my first load. I've got 480 pallets on there right now, all strapped and ready. Here at this mill out here. As you can see, guys, there's a lot of water on the ground. So we're going to do some videos of hauling, and I'll get y'all a good one out today. So we'll check back in with you. Alright guys, this Kent. I just talked to this shop where I just picked them pallets up, and he said they got a little over 3 inches in it. Look at that water right there. Look, that road's flooded out right there. Guys, that road don't flood out right there unless it's pretty bad. This road always floods out. But if it goes that far, that's deep. It gets deep down there in the middle. So I know that that flooded out that bad. The next road that I would normally take, no way. And I'm not even going to go down there because then I'd have to back around 2 corners to get out. So, just another quick video I wanted to show you. Right here. It's just it's still raining. 9:10 in the morning. So, talk to you later. Bye.
And in the shade.
See how flooded it was on that? Right there on that bridge. That's coming into little town Sturgeon right there, where Mr. Mike Humphrey lives in there, back up in there. From Way to Go Kennel, that's over Sturgeon. He'll know where that's at. There's a water tower, so I'm gonna head on over here and get some load of lumber, and got like 3 little jobs to do. I wish it was just 2, but it's gonna be 3. So, get back with you later. Okay guys, running down here, I'm gonna run up to this sawmill, Southside Sawmill, here in Clark. Don't get a lot of lumber out of here anymore, but one of my shops come down here and got 3 bundles of lumber I got to pick up. They're a good shop. My pallet shop just don't do that much work right here. This mill has their pallet shops they saw for, but he was needing some, so he took a chance to come down here, and they said, yep, they had some, so I'm here this morning to pick it up. I talked to him on the phone. Just let you get a little bit of look as I turn in here. There's their office. There you can see they got a lot of big logs there. I'm gonna drive down here. They changed it around. Used to go over on the other end and go around the building, but they redid their whole mill setup, and they've done a pretty good job. So I'm not gonna say they didn't, but they're trying to make it look pretty nice. Yeah, they took their old head saw out of this end right here. I just hope that they got it all. What they got right here ain't too high to get me back up here. So, but that's the shop right there. So I'm gonna back in here, guys, and go holler at them and get loaded. So, catch y'all in a little bit. Hey guys, here's a Another road crossing out here. You can see in this old boy's field right here. There ain't no way I'm getting down there. Good thing is, I don't have to go down there. I got to go in this guy's driveway. So, go in here and go to this mill and drop these numbers off right here. Get these girls out of my way. See y'all on the next one. I'm just taking a video here showing some of these people that's gonna see my YouTube channel how much rain we've been getting. Where's that gate at? I'm gonna have to back up. I can't see the gate.
No, not from there. You'll have to come all the way over here.
Yeah, well, I might be. I'll walk up here. I can probably see it.
Maybe not around those trees. I don't know. Yeah, that one post, corner post, coming back out of inside again.
Yep.
It's already dropped about 3 inches or 3 inches or so.
It's all flooded out. Gravel road. I wonder if 132 is passable yet. Hey guys, Ken here. This is one of the roads I go down all the time. I'm walking down here because I know, talking to the guys around here, you ain't no way I could think about it. Looks like Enos may lose part of his wheat field.
Cross road this side of the mailbox there.
Yeah.
Might not be able to put that on, but
Man, look at that. You go down there around that corner and that's as far as you're gonna go. Right there, and it don't usually get up. It usually about that tree line right there, down there. Man, I don't know if you can even get across that in a horse and buggy.
yeah, you can right now.
That's up there. I've been out here